This is Zoe Moore's midterm video. Today we'll be going over 2 common college algebra problems. Our student today will be Peyton. He's not what you would consider a math whiz, so today we're going to help him out. So our first problem wants us to solve, check, determine if it's an identity or a contradiction. And our equation is negative 2x plus 5x minus 9 equals 3 parentheses x minus 4 in parentheses minus 5. So we need to solve this problem in steps. So the first thing we look at, can we combine any like terms? And on this side we can. Negative 2x and 5x. That gives us 3x. And we carry down the minus 9. Now on the other side, we don't have anything we can simplify or add common terms. So we're going to distribute this 3 to the x into the minus 4. So that's going to give us 3x minus 12 minus 5. Now, there's nothing we can simplify here yet. So we're going to go ahead and carry that down. But there's stuff we can combine over here. The negative 12 and the minus 5. So that gives us 3x minus 17. Now, we want the x values on one side and the constants on the other. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. That's going to cancel out on both sides, which leaves us with negative 9 equals negative 17. This is what's known as a no solution problem, so you can't really plug it back in and check it. You can just rework the problem. And because it's no solution, we know it's a contradiction, not an identity. I think our student is getting the hang of this. Now let's move on to problem 2. Part A, write in slope-intercept form. B, give the slope of the line. C, give the y-intercept. D, graph the line. And our equation is 6x plus 5y equals 30. Now first we're going to do write in slope-intercept form. So we need to subtract 6x from both sides. That gives us 5y equals negative 6x plus 30. Now we need to divide both sides by 5y to get y by itself. This leaves us with negative 6 over 5x plus 6. So this is our part A. Now this equation is going to give us the slope, located right there. So part B is negative 6 over 5. Now, we get y-intercept by plugging in 0 for the x value. So, we plug this into our equation, and we get negative 6 over 5 times 0 plus 6. So y equals 6. And our paired order is 0, 6. Now, we got to graph the problem. This is my drawn graph. And we can go ahead and plot the y-intercept on our graph, which is located, as we've determined, at 0, 6. So right here. Now, you can either plug in values for x and solve for y to determine other ordered pairs that would follow a line on the graph, or you can use the counting method. Based on our slope, we know we go count down 6 and count 5 to the right. So we could go from 0, 6, down 6 to 0, over 5 to the right, to 5, 0. And that's going to be our second point. Now from there, we can draw our line. You can add more points if you would like to give a more accurate picture, but 2 points is all you really need. So that is what your graph should end up looking like. Thank you. Peyton, I hope you learned a lot.